Hello, my name is Ryan Buschjost. I'm the Supply Chain Planning and Logistics Manager for Brewer Science, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of our Vichy facility. This is where we make our leading edge lithography materials. All right, so here we are in front of our production area. This is a clean environment. The cleanliness is a class 100, as we refer to it. So that rating is determined by the amount of particles in the air in 1 cubic meter worth of air. So class 100, pretty self-explanatory, 100 particles of a certain size or larger within that 1 cubic foot of air. To put that in perspective for you a little bit, your general home or that is probably in the neighborhood of 500,000 or greater. So pretty clean environment that we're working in here. Another kind of point of reference for you is a clean room environment where they do open heart surgery is also a class 100. So we're working in that equivalent of an environment. In our production process here, generally we're doing blending processes, purification and filtration on our materials. All of that is done through an automated production process. So we take a lot of the human factor out of there for that and to improve the consistency of our products. All right, so here we are in front of our packaging area. This is where we take the bulk material and we actually put it into the containers that we'll ship to our customers. This again is a clean room area. Where we actually do the bottling is even cleaner than where we manufacture. So it is a class 10 area. Just for reference to what we were talking about in terms of the cleanliness of manufacturing. In this area, along with our manufacturing area, we utilize automation. That automation adds to the consistency. It also helps with the quality of the materials. By being a fully automated process, we take away the human interaction with the product while it is being packaged. That aids in really that quality aspect, because as humans interact with the product, we expel particles from our body, from our clothes, which could be a potential contaminant into the product itself. So the people working in this area, they will wear special clothing, and we have special operating procedures to ensure that we do not have any negative impact on the product as it's being packaged. Here we are in our warehouse area. This is where we store all of our incoming raw materials, all of our consumables, and all of our finished goods once they're through with production. On the other end of the warehouse here, we have our logistics area where we pack materials and prepare them for shipment to our customers.